Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these chocolate brownie balls. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to take yourself a large mixing bowl and into that place your butter, then place that into the microwave and melt it. I didn't melt mine quite enough for it to be fully melted, but I just used a mixer to bring it all together so it's melted. Then add in the cocoa powder and mix until the mixture is smooth and glossy. That's what you're looking for. Don't worry about the scraggly bits around the edge. As we work through the mixture, it will do its thing. Add in your sugar and continue to mix until it's fully incorporated. The mixture will become granular, and this is completely normal as we've just added a lot of sugar. Then go ahead and dump in all of your eggs and just mix those in until the mixture is smoother and glossier and should be lighter in colour and consistency. Don't forget to give the bowl a quick scraping down, then add in your plain flour and chocolate chips and mix these in just quickly until they're incorporated, being careful not to over mix the mixture. Give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and take a 9x13 inch baking tin which has been lined with some parchment paper and pour in all of the brownie batter, and then just spread and level it out to get it as consistent and level as possible, and this will help with the baking process once it's in the oven. As always, I will leave all that information in the blog post which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you're interested. So for the centre of the brownie balls, I'm using these Cadbury Puds. They're a kind of like truffly filled chocolate, which is just, they're really nice. And they work perfectly with these brownies. As you can tell, they're perfectly round and they just work perfectly through this recipe. So grab yourself a large mixing bowl and place in some of your brownies. I used about half, and then just get your hands in there and break it up. You're looking to make it like a crumb-like consistency, and yes, it doesn't look right at first, but crumble the brownies up, then you'll be able to make it malleable so it forms into any shape that you want it to. If you're looking for something like this, don't take it too far right now, as when you're working with it, it will start to come together much better. Grab yourself one of the Cadbury chocolates, then just take brownie and clump it all around, and until you have a ball, a solid mass of it looking something like this. Then set aside until needed a little bit later on, and repeat the process with the remainder of your chocolates and your brownies if you want to make that many, or however many you need to make. Then to finish the brownie balls off, you can go ahead and take some grated dark chocolate and just roll each of the brownie balls into it, giving a good coating all over. This should act like the breadcrumb coating on a Scotch egg, that kind of style. And just repeat the process until you've done it with all of your chocolate brownie balls, then you're good to go. So thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description of a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social media, so don't forget to go and follow me over on there. But that's all for today, I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.